Welcome to 60-Second Civics, the daily podcast of the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. In 1840, Lucretia Mott and Elizabeth Cady Stanton were banned from actively participating in the World Anti-Slavery Convention in London because of their gender. They later translated their outrage into organizing the Seneca Falls Convention in 1848, the first public political meeting in the nation that dealt with women's issues. At the convention, Stanton read her Declaration of Sentiments and Grievances, which closely paralleled the Declaration of Independence. Stanton advocated what was at the time the radical position that women should have a right to vote, an idea that was at first widely ridiculed. However, women's suffrage was later adopted by the convention following the intervention of the abolitionist Frederick Douglass. Other conventions followed annually in the next decade. That's all for today's podcast. 60-Second Civics, where civic education only takes a minute.